Well, IdealStelrad Group is a pan-European heating business with approximately 1,800 employees manufacturing across 6 facilities throughout Europe, the UK, Belgium, Holland and Turkey. In Hull, we manufacture approximately 300,000 domestic boilers a year and about 7,000 commercial industrial products. We have about 150 global suppliers. We receive and process about 400 pallets a day of raw materials, and we've got about 25 deliveries of raw materials coming to this plant every day. We implemented SAP in 1998. It was music, if you like, to sort of my ears when I heard that SAP had brought out something more standard on the mobile front. The current system wasn't working for us certainly as effectively as we'd like due to the sort of manual intervention involved with it. So we used Excel-based tools and we used paper. The system clearly would not cope, if you like, with the growing demand of the products and the rate at which raw materials were coming through the plant. So we did need to do something. We did need to automate. We did need to cut out waste and manual intervention. We needed better management information, which was important to us, and clearly to develop a solution that's embedded with SAP would give us all of those things. From my viewpoint, SAP implement more functionality than any standard business could dream to sort of implement. It's full of best practice.
When SAP Mobile was introduced, it was a massive improvement. We've got the freedom to run reports off, we can control stock accurately, we've got the ability to check individuals' performances, pick rates, put away rates.
In terms of summarising the benefits following the implementation of this project, in terms of stock accuracy, stock transparency, stock traceability, all of those things, you know, the world is certainly a better place. And because of that visibility, if you like, we've got better management information on our stocks. We've got better management information on the way our operators are performing. We know exactly where things are.
We used to be searching for particular parts for up to an hour, 2 hours per day, and no success at the end of it. Now when we have a query, we've got the access to look at some picking history, put away history, and we can trace back. Another excellent benefit to SAP Mobile is that you don't have to be at your PC to look up any stocks. We've now got the freedom with the handheld devices to look up stock in locations whilst you're on the forklifts, whilst you're on your foot in the stores. We
don't expect for the first time for this year to have to do a stock take, such as the accuracy of the raw materials stock. So it's absolutely watertight. And I think actually having those things has meant that we've been able to use other types of reporting and standard management information in SAP. They've in a sense come to life, whereas in the past the stocks were not that accurate, therefore they weren't used. Now these things have come to the table, so we're particularly delighted about that. The feedback from the users has been very positive indeed. The system is easy to use, it's intuitive. If you like, the uptake, you know, given a couple of hours of training, the users are not just proficient but very confident. I think that's important. The human being is always at the hub of a process and technology change, and I'm pleased to say that the guys have embraced this and it's been a tremendous success for us. In terms of the efficiency and the throughput, what it's meant is that despite this demand, we've not had to increase our headcount. Our stocks are less wasteful in terms of write-offs and where to find things. So generally, I would say that the operations have become far more efficient. In terms of our partner of choice, the first thing that was important to us, because this is a new, certainly new for us, module from SAP, we needed some confidence. We needed the partner to demonstrate to us that they could apply this functionality in an advanced way. CSI certainly did that. They not only applied and delivered what we really needed, not necessarily what we asked for. They went beyond that and brought other new things to the table, which is particularly delightful. And of course the final part is they delivered to promise, delivered on budget, with flexibility, delivered on time scale. Exceptional. Such is the success of the solution in the raw materials area in Hull. The intention is to clone that solution and move it into other functional areas of the plant, but also extend the solution into our radiator business. The solution has scale, it's got flexibility, it's functionally rich, and because it's standard, we can easily tailor it and adopt it to different challenges. Certainly quantifiable benefits, and we expected on the original programme plan to achieve between a 9 and 12 month return on investment. We've achieved that investment in under half the time, and of course the benefits continue to accrue.